Aramark Yelp reviews. If you're researching Aramark Yelp reviews, you could be looking at them for any one of maybe two reasons. First of all, you're looking to see if this is a good company to do business with. If you can see if they have good reviews. Most of them, if you look at all these ones, if that's what you Googled and you found my video, you looked at all the rest of them, and they're 1.5, 1.2, sometimes a 2.0 max on Yelp. And so not a lot of good reviews, but when you look at them on Google, it's a 4.4. So it could be really deceiving. You have to understand they have long-term contracts, automatic renewal clauses, automatic price increases. And so get some help before you find yourself in one of these long-term contracts. That's what I do for a living. I negotiate contracts, help people who are in arbitration proceedings. I write legal letters, I do depositions, and I work as an expert witness in the industry. But also, you could be looking at them because you just want to do a new contract, and you said, you know what, I want to make sure that I have the best contract. I guarantee you guys, my services pay for themselves. Call me up, I'll negotiate a new contract with a good company that I know of in your local area. I know all the good ones and I know the bad ones, and I can take these contracts and I can turn it into your advantage. So give me a call. If you're looking again for these Aramark Yelp reviews, I can help you to make sure you don't fall in the same pit that other people have in the past. So call me up, like, subscribe. I'll be putting out more videos like this. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.